everyone, it's Jen, and I'm going to review with you adjusting your column widths and your number formatting. Now, you should have already downloaded and renamed your file as I have. If you haven't, you can go back and do that now. This particular file is a little different than what we've worked with because it has 3 tabs and 3 different sheets in the one file. All 3 sheets have issues with column G, the payment column. So I need to go in and adjust them. First, you can see here that this particular column is too narrow. And so I'm getting this error message, which is these hashtag signs, which means that the number doesn't have enough room to display. I'm going to go ahead and widen my column up here by clicking and dragging between the G and H. And now it's wide enough. And now I can see that the number format is in the fraction format, and I don't want that. I want this all to be in the accounting format because these are payments that are due. So I select the full range. I head up here to the number format in the Home tab, and I'm going to select accounting. Ta-da! This looks all fixed. Let's go to the next tab. All right, same issue here. I'm going to again widen in between the G and the H. There, my hashtags went away, and I want to make sure that the words look clear. So even though the numbers are showing up, I still want the words to look clear. And then I'm going to select this, and you can see these look a bit better, but they're still not in the accounting format. They're just in the plain number format. So I'm going to again go into the number format menu and select accounting. And now that looks all set. Now I'll head to the guest balance tab. Now here I have a different issue. Here the column is too wide, so my header is not stacked, my heading isn't stacked, and my numbers are still incorrect. So this time I'm going to make the width of the column a bit narrower. And then I'm going to select this range, and I will take a bit of a shortcut and click on this icon to apply the accounting format. All right, you've completed the first part of this assignment. See you in the next video.